Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I have the absolute pleasure of showing you around this lovely Porsche 911 Carrera S. Now this is a lovely car, fantastic specification. It's got all of the options that you look for in one of these Porsches. Obviously convertible with the black hood, lovely white paintwork, contrasting mirror caps, wheels. It's a very, very pretty and sporty looking car. So starting at the front end, we've got front and rear parking sensors. We've got reversing camera on this one as well. We've got LED daytime running lights. We've got even the washer jets in body colour. They're normally silver. Coming through to the alloys, we are riding on these lovely 20-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels. All four are in superb order, free from any curbing. We've got the full colour Porsche centre crest as well. We've got the bright red brake calipers popping through. Looking down the side of the car, you'll struggle to find any dents, scratches. This is a truly well cared for vehicle. Contrasting mirror caps, we've got the lovely black perforated leather inside with the contrasting grey stitch. We've got the Porsche crest embossed into the headrests, embossed into the centre armrest as well. And then, as you can tell, these are very nice supportive bucket seats. Looking at the backs, we're finished in this lovely suede cloth, grey detailing all throughout the car as well. We've got the electrically operated wind deflector, which is fantastic if you're looking to go at speed with the roof off. Then we've got this similar sort of detailing, this sort of carbon effect detailing, which runs all throughout the car, on the dashboard, down the centre console, giving it that nice sporty feel. Now we've got fully electric memory seats, so driver's seat is two-way memory, heated front seats as well. Before we jump inside though, I'll finish showing you around the bodywork on this car. So coming through to the back, we've got the black lettering on this one, Porsche 911, nice sports exhaust with the sportier lower diffuser. So you've got the changeable valves in the exhaust, making it louder and quieter. We've got the electrically deployable spoiler as well. Nice sporty bumpers. We've got slight mud flaps to the rears there as well. But as you can tell, a very, very pretty car. Now we'll jump inside. I'll start her up. Obviously, having the sports exhaust, you've got a fantastic burble through the car. So as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 22,440 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We'll start her up and she rumbles into action straight away. We'll just adjust the seat. So we've got park folding mirrors, we've got the BOSE surround sound system. Obviously you've got the storage at the front of the car there as well. Vehicle is supplied with both keys. We've got our automatic lights, leather multifunction steering wheel. On there is our sports controls, so you've got your normal, individual, sport plus, which straight away you can hear the valves in the exhaust open up. That's all adjustable through the centre here anyway. So you've got your electrically deployable spoiler, you've got your sport suspension, so that's in sport plus at the moment, and our exhaust is on, giving us that lovely raspy burble. Leather multifunction wheel, so on there obviously you get the nice screen in the front, so you got your satellite navigation up on there, telephone, Bluetooth, G-forces, all your car-like information. And since this is a Chrono package car, you've got the Chrono dials as well. Now coming through to the centre, media, obviously Bluetooth phone. We've got satellite navigation on these cars, or on this car. You'd be surprised how many of these we sell, and sat nav is a big option on these vehicles. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. As I mentioned, centre armrest in nice order, and then operating the roof only takes a matter of seconds. So the wind deflector disappears, lovely black hood pops up in a matter of seconds, and it looks ace. So the car's been running, so it's nice and warm. We don't like revving cold cars here, but you can have a quick listen. As you can tell, with the exhaust opened, it sounds absolutely awesome. The roof is in superb order as well, but this is one of the very few cars that looks just as good with the roof up as it does with the roof down. So if you'd like any further information on this car, if it's finance that you require, if you've got a Part X, give us a call, send us an email. Our phone number is 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Well, thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.